All right, so running through this one more time, I have downloaded the 3D print firmware.zip onto my SD card, and I unzipped it. So that way I have both the zipped folder and the unzipped folder available for the machine. I don't know if I did something wrong there, but that's how I have it set up. Let me know if I did something wrong there. But that's what I have. And now we're just going to go ahead and run it in the machine. I'm going to eject it. Safe to remove hardware. I got my SD card here. That goes into my machine. Is now in. Screen's not on yet, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And it's going to take a minute for it to get to the language selection. Currently have the camera plugged in, as well as the directional sensor here. So that is also plugged in. Also, there's the additional plug on the back too. So, all right, here we go. English. Next. I have read and agreed. Yep. Next. Connected to my Wi-Fi. My time zone. It's telling me to download and install the firmware, which not sure if it has, but I mean the SD card is in. So I'll just go ahead and click next or start. It wants me to select the model, so I go forward to Ender 3 V3 SE, select that, and connecting. So I just recently did the same exact process, and I let it sit for 3 hours, and it was still on this screen. So it's still not getting past this screen. So let me know if there's some other step that I'm missing, but I have the file on the SD card. It is the only file on that SD card. There is no other files on that SD card. And it will just sit on this screen for hours. So let me know if I need to do anything else to get this to start working. All right, thanks.